Tesla's FSD bashed by Zoox executive. An executive from Zoox has shared some choice words for Tesla's full self-driving FSD software. Just as the Amazon-owned company starts rolling out its first driverless ride-hailing vehicles in 2 U.S. cities. During an interview at the TechCrunch Disrupt conference on Wednesday, Zoox co-founder and CTO Jesse Levinson cast doubt on Tesla's recent claims that unsupervised FSD could be seen in some of the company's vehicles as soon as next year. Levinson claimed that Tesla doesn't currently have technology that works. When asked if regulatory or technology issues were the larger problem in the company's path to robotaxi deployment, the more fundamental issue is they don't have technology that works, Levinson said of Tesla's FSD. And by works, I want to differentiate between a driver assistance system that drives most of the time, except when it doesn't, and then you have to take over, versus a system that's so reliable and robust that you don't need a person in it. The executive also highlighted that he doesn't think Tesla's camera-based FSD doesn't have enough equipment to properly keep people safe, saying that it can lull you into this false sense of complacency before actually going on to do the wrong thing. Our perspective is you really do need significantly more hardware than Tesla is putting in their vehicles to build a robotaxi that is not just as safe, but as especially safer than a human. Levinson adds. Elon Musk followed up with a response to the story, highlighting the fact that Zoox wouldn't exist today if it weren't for Amazon bailing them out. If he hadn't gotten bailed out by Amazon, his company would be dead already. You can watch the full interview with Levinson below, with the question about Tesla's FSD taking place a little after 21 minutes. Tesla's FSD supervised Cybercab and competition. Earlier this month, Tesla held its We Robot event to unveil the 2-seater fully autonomous Cybercab platform, which it expects to begin mass-producing before 2027. Teslarati was among those at the event, and among the first to take a ride in the Cybercab, coverage of which you can see on X here. While Tesla owners can already use FSD supervised by either paying a monthly subscription or purchasing the software along with their vehicle, the company has yet to roll out a ride-hailing service for vehicle owners, or a completely unsupervised offering of the software. Tesla said during the event that Model 3 and Model Y owners will get access to unsupervised FSD in California and Texas by next year, before rolling the software out to the Cybertruck, Model S, and Model X shortly thereafter. Alphabet-owned Waymo has already started deploying driverless ride-hailing vehicles in San Francisco and Los Angeles, and Zoox also announced this month its plans to deploy completely driverless robotaxis in San Francisco and Las Vegas. Meanwhile, General Motors' GM-owned self-driving company Cruise is attempting to relaunch paid rides after facing legal troubles and staff shakeups following an accident with a pedestrian last October. Still, Tesla has constantly said that its technology will be more scalable than those of other companies, due to the software being trained by the many drivers who use it in their own cars. The company has also touted its software's neural network being trained on vast amounts of real-world driving footage, rather than with specific commands in a geofenced area of operation, which it claims makes it able to better handle fringe scenarios. Tesla investment in autonomous driving program to exceed $10 billion this year. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.